Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your American Express account. Follow these steps to enable this feature quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section in the menu. This is where you can manage your security settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Services section, find and select Security Settings or Two-Factor Authentication. This will take you to the area where you can enable additional security features. Step 4. Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Follow the prompts to turn on Two-Factor Authentication. You may be asked to provide a phone number or email address where you will receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your contact information, confirm the changes and save your settings. You should receive a confirmation that Two-Factor Authentication is now enabled. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your American Express account with Two-Factor Authentication. Remember to keep your contact information up to date for seamless access.